take information resources, not only printed, but also non-print materials such as internet resources. These external resources will supplement the printed material. So, more information resources at the iPad. I so many, not only the physical appearance you can see, but we have also other sections such as the kids and teen sections where we are featuring some of the popular magazines and packet books which is not available and common to like other libraries. Not common because of the provincial library. And another one is the presence of computer and internet multimedia section of the library. Previously, these two added sections are not available at the provincial library. It is a very different situation now because not only of the service hours, because we are open 8 o'clock in the morning and 7 o'clock in the evening, no noon break, so we have serving more clients in a week because also we are also open during Saturdays from 8 to 5 and then Sundays afternoon only, 1 to 5. So, the students are coming here after their class hours, especially 5 to 7 in the evening, weekend. So, the students are encouraged to come not only on the internet, because we practice the internet, but also we are also increase our printed material that those, as I mentioned, the popular magazines. This is the result of the survey. We survey what are the materials students, especially the teenagers, wish to read, wish to find materials in the library, except those materials which supports their academic research. So we acquire those materials as a result of